Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been wondering how can you move these icons in your taskbar, you came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly and easily how can you move these icons, or basically how can you move your taskbar in your Windows 11 PC. So let's jump right into it. First you need to go to settings, so tap right here, and then you can go to settings from here, or you can search for it if you cannot find it pinned. So settings, and you open it just like that. Now you go to personalization and then scroll down until you find taskbar. This should be like this one. This is the icon that's going to be next to it, and it's going to say taskbar in your PC. So tap on it and then you find the settings right here. So if you want to find these settings in a shortcut, you can always right click the taskbar and then tap on taskbar settings, just like that. Now from here you need to scroll down until you find taskbar behavior. It's going to say taskbar behavior right here. Go ahead and click on it to extend this menu, and as you can see it's going to say center right here, the position. So tap on it and then choose left. It's going to be left here. So tap right there, and as you can see guys, the icons have changed the position and now became on the left side of the screen. Now if you want to change it back to the center, of course it's going to be very easy. You can go ahead and tap on center and it's going to be in the center. I like it better in the left side, so I'm gonna put it there. Now if you want to make it move up and down the taskbar, you can always choose hide automatically. Choose it. As you can see, it goes down. Once you hover on it, it's going to go up, as you can see guys. And that's how you do it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.